In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center text in Canva. If you've ever looked at your design and felt like the text just seems a little off, even when it looks close enough, this quick technique will help you line everything up neatly. Centering text in Canva can mean two slightly different things, and it's important to understand both. One is centering the text inside the text box itself, and the other is centering the entire text box on the page. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through both so your design looks clean, balanced, and professional. Start by opening your Canva design and selecting the text box you want to adjust. Make sure you click directly on the text element so Canva knows that's the item you want to edit. Once the text box is selected, you'll see the editing options appear in the top toolbar. From there, click the alignment button in the top toolbar. This is where Canva gives you control over how the text is positioned inside the box. When the alignment menu opens, choose Center. This will center the text within the text box, which means the words themselves will be aligned evenly from the middle instead of sitting to the left or right. This is especially useful for titles, short headings, or any design where you want the text to feel balanced. Now that the text itself is centered inside the box, the next part is making sure the whole text box is centered on the page. To do that, click and drag the text box across your design. As you move it, watch for Canva's center guide to appear. This guide helps you line up elements accurately without needing to guess. Once the center guide shows up, release the text box. That means Canva has recognized the exact center point, and your text is now perfectly centered on the page. This small visual cue is very helpful, so take a second to pause and make sure you see it before letting go. And that's it. By centering the text within the box and then centering the box itself on the page, you create a much more polished layout. It only takes a few seconds, but it can make a big difference in the overall look of your design. If you're working on presentations, social posts, thumbnails, or posters, this is a simple habit that can instantly improve visual balance.